Oh, yum. In my mixing bowl, I already have my Greek yogurt, baking powder, and blend these ingredients together. Give this a whisk. It's 21 seasoning salute. Absolutely love to take on over to the stove, so I'll see you there. At first, we are going to start by adding my milk of choice, which is almond milk, into my container. Next, I'm going to follow up with my chia seeds. Next, my sweetener of choice. And obviously also to your liking as far as the sweetness. And the blend. And that's it for the chia seed mixture. So what you want to do is just to sit this aside for about 10 minutes. That is going to give these seeds enough time to absorb some of this liquid. They're going to expand. And once that happens, you're going to blend it again, okay, to get out any lumps. And then you are going to refrigerate it. Now for my strawberry swirl topping, I am going to use some Greek yogurt, protein powder, sweetener. I'm going to give this a mix. All right, that looks great. It's nice and creamy. And as I mentioned, this is a strawberry swirl. So what I need to do is take my strawberries and I need to puree them. So what I'm going to use, because it's such a small amount, what I'm going to use is my magic bullet. I've got a NutriBullet and I've got a magic bullet. Right. Pour my strawberries into the container. And blend until we get a puree. And I believe that was all of about 5 seconds, and we have our puree here. Bring our cream mixture back front and center, and to it we are going to add, look at that deliciousness, you guys. Oh my gosh. I might have to make this chia seed a dessert for this evening. Go ahead and pour this in. And just like that, we have our strawberry swirl. Okay, I've got some chia seed pudding that was previously refrigerated. So what we want to do is go ahead and add our topping. And this is ready to go. The only thing that you may like to do is when you get ready to eat it, just add a few more pieces of fresh fruit on top, whether it be strawberry and or blueberries. And you guys, you have got yourself a nutrient-rich, protein-packed, delicious breakfast. This breakfast keto is a low-carb, high-protein recipe that is perfect for weight loss, and it will keep you fueled and energized for hours. And I've got some chicken here. You guys getting hungry? I know I am. And some shredded cheese. Your tortilla shell and lay it straight on top. And this is ready. Enjoy.